What's up, YouTube? I'm back again with another video, and in this video I'm obviously showing you how to add graphics and animations on your VideoPad, of which is something like very simple. And if you've been going through a lot of the course, you'll already have an idea, a little bit of an idea on how to do it. So it is very easy to import like your graphic. Let's say like you downloaded like a subscribe button, and you want it to appear here. You already know how to add that specific subscribe button, you know. So I won't be showing that because you already know how to add your clip of that subscribe button. You just go straight to add files, then boom, it will be there. You go to select it, it will be there. Then adding an animation on it. How do you make it move? Do you make that thing move? So for this video I'll be making, I want her face to move a little bit. I want her face to move a little bit, like maybe a different picture of her to just come straight on the main screen. So that's exactly what I will be doing. I'll just try to keep it very straightforward, because I don't think this is something like a lot of vloggers will do. Because what they will usually do, if let's say they have like a spray that they would love to recommend, they'll just show the spray on the screen. That's what the vloggers will do. So if you want it, like let's say you want the piece of the spray to appear here, that's exactly what I'll show you how to do it. Or if you want like to put like a little bit of an animation on that spray, let's say there's a spray and you want the spray to come to appear around this, then move back and disappear just like that. So let me guys show you. So the first thing I will be doing, I personally will go straight to Stud. So that's one of the things that I didn't mention on the first episode. If like you're working with VideoPad, you need to download PhotoPad, you need to download PhotoStage, and you need to download MixPad. Those are software, they work interchangeably, so they help one another. You also need to download Express Animate, but for now, since like you're not interested in editing videos, you want to be able to know how to edit your vlogs, so I'll recommend you to download at least PhotoPad, because there will be a course where I'll be showing you how to create the thumbnail for your vlog using PhotoPad. So PhotoPad is also a software by NCH Software that you definitely need to have, and I'll be using it in this specific case to show you this animation and graphic design. So click straight to PhotoPad, just go straight to Suite, then you click straight to PhotoPad. After clicking straight to PhotoPad, it will sense automatically, it will open PhotoPad on the desktop. That means you need to have PhotoPad and you need to install PhotoPad, so that when you click on that PhotoPad, it can automatically sense that you want to open PhotoPad. I hope guys that does make sense. So the second thing that I would love to do, I would love to come to this video, because this is what I would love to screenshot. Then I will come to PhotoPad, then I'll click here, then I'll just click screenshot. It will take the screenshot for that specific video. So what I don't want it to play. So what I wanted to do, I'll just come here to select. So guys, you don't have to do whatever I am doing, because some people like they want to put like the subscribe button. You just add your subscribe button, but this is when you want to add your image. Even if you want to add your image, go to add file, then you add an image. So the only thing that I will be showing you on how to overlay the image. This is I want her face to be there. You go to Suite, then you're telling like your PhotoPad, take this image, then send it back to PhotoPad, to VideoPad. So that's what it will do. Then you go straight back to your PhotoPad. That's why I'm saying those software like work interchangeable. Let's say now you do have your subscribe button. Or you do have like the picture of your spray. So you want to add this picture in this area. So the first thing you need to do, I want it to be in this area from this point. So it's obviously you come here. Okay, if this is what happens, that means you go straight to that end. just click like that. If sometimes that add section doesn't appear, for example, let me go back to my first sequence. Let me go to videos. Let me go to the first have videos. So you know, like how we add videos on our timeline, we just click here, then we click add clip on sequence. So if this add sequence doesn't appear like right now, that add sequence in this area doesn't appear, you can add from here. So adding, just clicking on this button, that means it will cut your video. As you can see, it just cut my video and add that image there, but that is not what I want. I want it to appear here. So all you have to do, you need your video, your image need to appear here, and you just click on that arrow, you focus, you go straight to overlay on the sequence, then it will go start there, exactly there. Then you want it to go until this area. You don't want it to last until the end, you want it to go until that area. You can just push this down so you can see your video. You don't want it to add here, you want it to add at least this area, so your video will be there. But you already see like your video is in between, so you just have to touch there, then you push it aside. This is the easiest way to do it. There are so many ways to do it. You can go straight to effects, then moving it there, like just like that. So I want my face to be there on the side. You can push it a little bit upwards on a side, and then I would love like the size of the face to decrease a little bit. So how do I make the face to decrease? So you have this arrow, it's also here, so this arrow, you just go straight to it, then you push it backwards, so it will just make your face to a little bit to move like that. So let's say like the spray that you downloaded, the image of the spray is showing big and you want to make it small. That's where you go, you just click there, then you push it backwards, it will just decrease the size of it. So if you play your video, it will just say, it will just appear, so it's loading, you see. So prefer it to be that a little bit orange before you play it, because as I have already mentioned on the second episode, if it's this blue, that means still loading. And even now, if it's that orange, it is not yet done loading. It have to be, if it's done loading, it will be gray. But it is much better playing it when it is like this, done when it is super blue. So let's play it.
Do you understand? I am
boom, like your image appears, but I don't feel like that's exactly what I want to do. I don't want my image just to appear just like that. So I want to do a little bit of an animation that my image, maybe I want my image to be very small before, then make it big. So it just goes straight to that FX, then boom, this table will appear. Then you can go straight to the beginning, you add there, you add a starter, you go straight to the end, you also add a starter, then you go around this area, you add a little bit of a button, you go around here, you add a little bit of a button. Guys, obviously you are doing vlogs, you really don't have to do this, it's just that I really like to complicate things, I accept it. So I just go straight to the beginning, then I would love the size to be super small, push the size to be super small, that's how my size I want to be, then go straight to there, go straight to the end, then make your size to be small again, make your size to be small. So that's what will happen. So I told this, like the reason I did that, I was saying, okay, I want like when my image start, I want it to be small until that original, like until, let them go in between, until this size. Then after this size towards the end, it can go small again. Guys, this is what we call animations, in case like you didn't know. Graphic design, display.
Do you understand? I am just the only girl in my family, and I had no choice but to take care of myself. And sometimes you didn't go to the salon and you just. But let me not explain what I'm trying to say.
So it's loading, still loading towards the end, but let me just click here. So it's loading. So that's your face. Then if you come towards the end, you'll see like the face is decreasing. You see the face is decreasing, so it will decrease again to that full stop until it's super small. I hope you can see now I'm here and the face doesn't even appear. So that's what I did. So guys, that's how you do it. If like you have a spray and you want your spray to super small, when you start to mention it, okay guys, I use like an NCH spray, then your NCH spray like start to appear a big, then just like that, like that, like that. So guys, this is the end of this episode. Thank you so much for viewing this video. If is there anything else you'll love me to focus on, please do leave a comment. Please do leave a comment. I'll just focus on it. And till next time, please don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.